On Thursday, the Equal Opportunities Commission launched an investigation into several public schools in Luero District that operate under the Universal Primary Education and Universal Post-Primary Education and Training Program, allegedly charging illegal fees.
The investigation will lead into you appearing before the tribunal of the EOC in case you are found to have faulted the law and the policies of government. And you should also be mindful of the fact that the effect or the impact of charging fees is devastating to the poor people. Devastating in the sense that it increases school dropout rate, it increases dropout rate, it affects enrollment, it affects progress of learners from one stage to another.
The extra fees include money for lunch, school uniforms, among others. Officials at the Equal Opportunities Commission described the arrangement as a burden on struggling parents.
Any attempt to charge extra fees in the name of boarding fees, unit registration, lunch fees, development fees is illegal, unless you are cleared by the Ministry of Education.
Now, a report on universal primary schools by the Initiative for Social and Economic Rights indicates that Uganda's education system has seen growth in enrollment over the past 25 years. While the UPE program has expanded access, the report raises serious concerns about the quality of education. Many schools, according to the report, are struggling to provide resources needed for effective learning since government took on the responsibility of paying tuition fees, providing textbooks, and recruiting teachers. This implies that the limited funding makes parents to shoulder additional costs.
I don't charge, but they willingly pay 40,000.
So another one is for lunch. Then teachers' welfare. These teachers are coming from far.
You advise them?
I advised them and they told me to write to the ministry, which I did. And I have a write-up to the ministry requesting for more teachers.
And did the ministry clear you?
No, the ministry has not yet cleared us because there is no wage.
So the fact that there is no wage, did you act out of bias? Because the ministry has not sanctioned, but for you, you are taking it upon yourself to recruit more teachers so that you go ahead to squeeze those poor parents.
Now advise me, what should I do?
For uniform?
We don't charge for uniform. Many pupils in Kakabara don't have uniform. Those ones who have even they are barefooted, they walk barefooted. Or the foundation body should sit with the government and come up with a better solution, which will help us run the schools properly.
This financial strain has led to low teacher morale, high absenteeism, and inadequate facilities. Children with special needs face even greater challenges due to lack of specialized resources. The report indicates that the relationship between district education supervisors and local inspectors lack cohesion, resulting in fragmented oversight.
Some management committees are not doing their part simply because they don't know what they are supposed to do. So this report is pointing out where there are gaps. You should have done, a school management committee is supposed to do A, B, C, D. So if we get to know and disseminate this information and share with them, maybe it will improve the operations of the school management committee.
The findings show that the introduction of UPE has also weakened the influence of parent-teacher associations, raising questions about parent representation. To ensure every child receives a quality education, experts recommend that inspection reports are discussed and school improvement plans developed to ensure effective accountability and involvement of parents in school decision-making processes.
Before you talk about the low funding, talk about have you used the little that you have effectively and efficiently. That's very critical. Even when you have your money in homes, you don't have that much money, but you have to plan it in a way that it will give you what you want. So, however little the money is, the bigger question we're asking in this report, in this research, is that little money effectively used? And you and me know very well that there's some management of funds in some schools. So we need to tighten on accountability.
Lydia Feli Akulu, NTV Weekend Edition.